Hello, my name is Chandravan. I am working as a quality and production engineer. So today we are going to calibrate the stopwatch. This one manufacturer is Casio, and this resolution is 0.01 second. As you can see, their display showing hour, minute, and second 1/100s. So this one the function of start and off. This one makes 0, and there is the mode, and the model number is HS-3, and serial number 212Q03R. And for this calibration we have used our multifunction calibrator for frequency test, and we have connected our frequency cable to this Tektronix FCA3103 timer of the counter analyzer. So for this calibration we are using title of procedure calibration of timers, stopwatches and chronographs GMC LTP36. So for this we are going to do, and this procedure is a describe how to calibrate stopwatches and timer up to 24 hours. We are using reference equipment, frequency counter, time analyzer, Tektronix FCA3103, now serial number 353658, 3-year. Environmental condition 23 plus minus 5 and 50 plus minus RH. So now 25 plus minus 1.1, and data logography regarding the temperature and this. And preparation, we have checked time stopwatch, no damage, and we have started before 1 hour. Now proper stabilization time we have given. And procedure, there are two methods. One method setting the timer, counter analyzer, and stopwatch will press same time. Then can have human error approximately 0.5 seconds by using camera and taking successive frame of shots. So we are using by human methods. Procedure first for calibration, we have connected this output our my MFC in channel 1, this channel 1 time analyzer of the counter, output of 50 scope function, this one the scope function here, frequency scope, and measure button is right, we have to apply the asset here. So frequency applied here, it is 100 kilohertz, and amplitude 3 to 5 volt PP signal square wave, this will serve the reference signal. Changing frequency, change the resolution of time displayed on the screen, so it will be set the frequency 1 megahertz. So we will have better resolution like this. So this one have 1 kilohertz here written, but the timer will count for longer period. However, the resolution is stopwatch or timer is 0.01 second and frequency is 1 kilohertz. So we will set frequency our 1 kilohertz as 1 kilohertz we have set here. And now because our resolution is 0.01 second, so we will start this calibration by pressing this here function, and here start value coming. As you can see, now we have both take same time, and we press. Now time will start count. You can see starting here this second, 5 second, 6 second, after this was a millisecond, and same here also count. So we will check just 60 second means 1 minute, how much we get value. Now you can see both. Now 30 seconds nearly. Now you can see there 1 minute and 00 second, 60 millisecond, and here 60.4. So for this we are going to write in our calibration certificate. As you can see, we have write here stopwatch description and range and resolution, manufacturer, model number, serial number, code number, and this is the and when date we are doing. So we receipt date we can put there 17 June, and now procedure number this, standard use this, and this for A2LA oriented patch, A2LA Lab calibration, temperature is 25.1 and now 25.1, and we have added this frequency humidity, and calibration today we are doing this 19. Okay. So here we have set up the drop down column like temperature manual we have done. So resolution how much? 1/100 seconds. So for 1 minute we have do here 3 trial, but we have here done 1 trial. So as you can see in our reference 1 minute 0 second, and here coming around 400, and this coming 1 minute 0 second and 60. So total time is average use is 60.6 second. And now if we go another 2 data we take for 1 minute same. So we write here 33 average and all value calculated after 10 minutes and 30 minutes, like this calibration 1 hour. So in certificate we have same calibration after this, and our standard calibration layer, certificate procedure number. And here a value come like 1 minute we have calibrated and how much second, and in standard this one will display, and you will see, and how much correction 1.12 seconds, measurement uncertainty here come like this. So for this both calibration we have used our reference certificate is timer of the counter analyzer. This one calibrated on 8 by 2021 and valid 7 by 2024, and they have calibration the frequency, because we also test only frequency. And for generator frequency source, just we have our calibration certificate calibrator MFC time electronic 5025. This one valid 19 January 2023. And for quality control checks we have done ILC/PT. Last year we have done in 2020, you can see 2019 we have done timer/histogro, timer/stopwatch, refer to the, we have submitted result in APLA portal. And for other we have done also recalibration with 2 technician every 6 months. So now next August we have done next. So we have already done in 1 minute how much here value come, like 0.01 is our uncertainty EM value. In this way we are calibrating the timer, stopwatch and chronographs, both are same. So we using same function and same method for follow this procedure. Okay, thank you.